Hello, and this is the fourth experiment in the Keystones lab that we have. This is basically an experiment which deals with collaboration diagrams. So collaboration diagrams has a set of objects, and we have links to the to the following objects. So we have link that connects each an object, and there is also a self link that connects an object to itself. Then we have forward stimulus and reverse stimulus based on the flow of working based on the flow of work. So now what we're going to do is the scenario in which a computer dealership organization working is given. So we have customers, software shop, inventory, computer dealer, and production unit. So as we get a clear picture from this as we observe this collaboration diagram over here. The customer would request for a particular model, and he's going to search in the shop. The software shop is going to check for the availability. If it is not there, then it is going to go to the computer dealer, and the production unit is going to produce more and is going to send it back to the software shop so that the customer is satisfied, as in he gets the product. So what happens is customer sends a request to for a particular model. If then they check the inventory, the software shop checks the inventory. If it is not found, then the order deal is made. Then the order deal is sent for production and produce is done. And again it is sent back to the dealer. Then the inventory is again, the order is taken. Order is taken by the inventory. That is the order that has been given. Then if it is found, then it is taken to the shop. So this particular product that he has ordered, or the model that he has ordered, if more pieces have arrived, then it's going to be taken to the software shop from where the customer can purchase. So the customer is provided with it, and the customer again takes it and he sends it. So this is our first exercise, first part of the fourth experiment. The second one would be the simulation of uh, the simulation of how a barcode reading is done of, or how a product is built, or how a product is built. So we have five objects again here also: customer, cashier, billing, barcode reader, and delivery counter. You know how this generally works. So we are going to understand it using a collaboration diagram. So the customer can purchase for some things. Customer purchases for some things and he takes it to the cashier who bills. Billing, the cashier requests a request for billing, and this billing is done using the barcode reader. So each and every product is scanned using a barcode reader. This barcode reader is then after it is scanned, it's going to be sent to the delivery counter, so it is finally delivered to the customer. So before all this happens, the barcode reader scans for one particular product. Only for one particular product, the process is happening over here. So what is going to happen is the customer here, there is another function which checks for more products, and it is going to call the calculation operation, by which another barcode is read, and barcode is read, and if it checks for more products each and every time. So until the end of sale function is called. That is, all the products are counted or are taken into account. Then each of the product is calculated. The billing is done, where calculation is done, where all the products the prices are added up. They are added up, and then we have a confirmation from the customer about the end of the sale, and the total cost is displayed. Then we have other functions for payment and everything, and finally the product is being delivered to the customer after the delivery counter processes everything. This is our fourth experiment. Thank you.